This is Thakur Badi in Thakur Nagar, which is in North 24 Parganas district. And what has brought West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to the Matua dominant Bongaon is that she had to reach out to the Matua dominant community and this place because they are the Hindu minority vote bank, and the votes are divided between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP. The Matua community find their ancestral roots in Bangladesh. Many of the community members had migrated here to West Bengal before the 1970s, but some have migrated even later. Now, what are these fears that they have? The fears that they have are they do not have the documents in place. Many who have managed to get their documents are not a worried lot, but there are some who are concerned because they do not have proper identity documents, and though they have been assured both by the BJP and the Trinamool Congress that their names will not go off the voter list if they are genuine voters, there is still that fear that lurks somewhere within them. And many that we spoke to told us that these fears are the reason that they have been worried, and though they have been given assurances and that Mamata Banerjee herself did come here to speak to them, there is that fear and concern. However, Mamata did say that she will help even after the draft list is released to help these Matua community voters to get the documents and secure a place when it comes to the election commission and the voter list. So a lot of fears here, but Mamata Banerjee making an effort to come here, and many of the voters, we must remember, are the BJP supporters as well. So Mamata Banerjee taking this bold step, the anti-SIR protest which is intensifying.